there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Imagine running AI without the internet. Yep, you can now download and run open source AI models right on your Android phone. From image generation to coding help, it's a dream for privacy, first users, and edge AI explorers. The future of AI isn't just in the cloud, it's in your pocket. Are we entering the era of truly offline intelligence? Master AI smarter, not harder. Grab your free AI course now. Today's AI menu is packed. We've got TikTok tricks, space chips, silent AI upgrades, and more. Plus, a tutorial on using Powtoon for animated presentations and videos. And don't miss our top 5 AI tools to boost your productivity. In the world of AI, 11 Labs just redefined AI conversation with Conversational AI 2.0. It's not just about what AI says, but when, how, and why it responds. This leap is a game changer for customer support and virtual agents, offering lower costs, higher satisfaction, and multilingual support. For users, it means conversations that feel less robotic and more real. Want to make engaging animated presentations? Head to powtoon.com, sign up, choose a template, add your content, and voila, you've got a video ready to go. For productivity, check out these tools. Genie AI for summarizing research, Laura AI for English coaching, Vian for explainer videos, Chroma for color palettes, and Noti.ai for meeting transcripts. In other news, SpaceForge is taking chip making to space, Alibaba's Qianlong L1 is cracking long context reasoning, and TikTok creators are mimicking AI for viral fame. Plus, Apple's Shortcuts app is getting a genius-level upgrade with AI-powered automation. And finally, a robot just shattered the Rubik's Cube world record in 0.103 seconds, thanks to brilliant engineering by Purdue University students. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always need deep pockets or neural networks. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.